WiseAgent is proud to introduce its artificial intelligence bot that acts as an assistant to real estate professionals, saving them time when following up with leads. The AI bot uses industry-proven real estate scripts to engage and qualify incoming leads and even nurture existing leads. With the AI bot, WiseAgent members will be able to automatically qualify new leads that are being added to their database through WiseAgent's lead management tool. The AI bot immediately follows up with new leads and has meaningful human conversations to discern whether they are looking to buy, sell, secure a loan, or rent. Let's take a look at how to set up the bot to start qualifying leads in your database today.
The first step for getting started with the AI bot is to activate the feature from your integrations menu. You'll find that under your integrations dropdown by clicking on Settings. From this integrations menu, you'll find the AI bot section here, and this dropdown will give you more information about the bot and the pricing. If you do not yet have a Wise text number, you will get this notification telling you that a text number is required to activate this feature. You can activate your Wise text number by coming down to the right-hand side and clicking on Wise Text. Once you've enabled your Wise text number, you'll now have the option to enable your AI bot. From here, you can read more information about the next steps that you need to take for activating your AI bot. This covers pricing for the bot and how each conversation is $1.50 per active conversation per month. You can buy bundles, which we will go into later, but you can get as few as 10 conversations for $15. Next, you'll need to give your assistant a name. This is the name that the assistant will use to refer to themselves in the conversations with your leads. After giving your bot assistant a name, you'll hit Activate. You'll be taken back to this menu, and back on this dropdown, you can see how many credits you have remaining, and you can change your assistant's name at any time by clicking on the Edit button. This menu is also where you will purchase credits for your bot by using the Add Credits button. This will pull up a modal where you'll enter in all of your information, and here you can find all of the different bundles that we offer for the AI bot. Now that you have your AI bot activated, you'll want to set up your lead rules through WiseAgent's lead management tool. You'll find the lead rules under the Contacts dropdown by clicking on Lead Rules. From this page, you can choose an existing lead rule to edit, or you can add a new lead rule for one of your sources. From the Lead Rules modal, you'll find the AI bot tab at the very top. When you click on it, you'll need to select Yes to allow the AI bot to be added to clients coming in from this source, and you'll also need to choose the text number that you would like to assign your AI bot to use. Next, you'll want to assign incoming leads to your target audience, whether it's buyer, seller, renter, or new home loan. You'll be able to determine your target audience based on your source. So for example, if I'm making a lead rule for a Facebook ad for sellers, I'll want to then choose the seller option on my AI bot. It is not recommended to have an automated text response set to yes, as well as your AI bot, because your leads will be receiving text from the AI bot and your automated text message at the same time. Once you've finalized all of your settings, you will hit Save, and your lead will be applied. You can manage the clients in your database that are currently active with the AI bot by performing a search on your contact list. From the contact list, you'll use the Search Group option under the Advanced Contact Filters to perform a search for those that have the AI bot active, inactive, or those that have never been added. Once you select one of these and hit the Search button, a list of your contacts fitting the search criteria will appear on the list below. From here, you can choose to select all or select individual clients. And from the Actions drop-down menu, you can add them to the AI bot automatically with just a click. You can also begin this process for individual clients by clicking into their contact summary page. From the contact summary page, you can see the current status of the AI bot, whether it's active, inactive, or never has been active for this individual contact. To activate your AI bot, you'll come to the Integration Actions dropdown and click on Add to AI Bot. When you click to start the AI bot, this modal will appear where you can choose your text number and again choose your target audience from the options we saw before. You can also see how many credits you have remaining and buy more credits from this modal. Once you're ready to start the AI bot on this client, hit save, and you can see the status for the AI bot for this contact is now active. You can also choose to pause or resume the AI bot right from this page. Red will mean it's inactive or has been paused, and green will indicate that it is active. To review any of the text conversations that have taken place with this contact and the AI bot, you will want to click on the Text tab on your contact summary page. And from here, you can review the entire conversation, including replies, whether or not the text was delivered, and the date and time of the conversation. You will also see status notes here for whether the bot was paused or resumed. Lastly, you can monitor the conversations between clients and your AI bot right from your mobile device. From the Wise Agent mobile app, you will choose the text option. And from here, you will have a list of your client's text conversations. From here, you can see an indicator for the bot to the right-hand side of a contact's name. When you click into the conversation, you have the ability to pause or resume the bot right from the top right-hand side for a seamless transition. Any texts that have been sent from the AI bot will have an indicator of the robot icon, and your profile image will show up next to text that you have sent. You will also have notes in your conversation for where your AI bot has been paused or resumed.
If you need any assistance setting up your AI bot, please reach out to our support team who are available to you 24/7 through the Contact Us button in your account. Thanks for watching.